Hello everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different softwares. We are also open for our live online classes. So, if you want to know how we conduct our live online classes, then you can just go to our YouTube channel and there you will find reviews of our students. Now, if you want to register for it, then you will find a link in the description which will redirect you to this Google form. All you have to do is to just fill this Google form and I will personally give you a call. Now, let's go to what we are going to study today. So today we are going to learn about SketchUp. So I have started a series in which I will show you the complete model of SketchUp. So let's get started. So one of our students Rajdeep is working on this project and let's see what he has done. So before starting, one has to import the AutoCAD drawing in SketchUp. Now all you have to do is to just explore this and make surfaces. Now, how to do all this that I have already explained in my previous videos. So if you want, then you can watch my SketchUp series for that. So in this video, we will learn how to make the core house. So first of all, we will draw surface all over the plan and then we will erase the unnecessary lines so that we can simply drag it to the desired height. As we know, the desired height is 10 feet 6 inch, but in SketchUp we will drag it to 10 feet 2 inches so that we can provide a 4 inches slab on it. Now we have to make spaces for the windows. So he has already created the openings for it, and you can see over here he has created a ventilator, a door and a window like this. Now it is a very simple process, but all you have to do is to just focus on it. So SketchUp demands just your time. Now in this video we will see how Rajdeep is preparing the whole model. So over here, first of all, he is working on the ground floor and occasionally he will work on the first floor and the headroom. So today we will keep it up till courthouse, and whenever I will feel that okay, I have to explain this particular portion, I will just explain it to you. Now this ground floor is almost completed. Now we will just look for the final checks that if you are missing anything or not. And he is taking the reference of the plans as well. Now that it is okay, we will provide a slab on it of 4 inches. Now he is working on the first floor. So we already had a AutoCAD plan like this over here, and we will follow the same process that we have followed in the ground floor. And similarly, you can draw the walls and the columns wherever it is required. Now once this portion is completed, we will just go and check the dimensions from the AutoCAD file and measure whether we are doing it right or not. So these are the things that you need to do while working on a project. So it's not that you have to just work on any project. You will also have to keep checks that you are moving in the right direction or not. Now, we will make the windows, ventilators and the doors in the similar manner as we have done for the ground floor. So we know that the sill level for the window is 2 feet 6 inches and sill level for the ventilator is 5 feet. So Rajdeep has completed the first floor and he has put it on the ground floor. Now all he has to do is to work on the headroom. So he had just copied the plan and put it on the first floor. Now he will customize the headroom, and then he will just delete the surface for the staircase and other components. Now that we have the walls over here, we will delete the surface over here too. You can see he has used a smart technique of placing the plan just on the other floors, like he has placed it on the first floor. So this way he has completed the code house. Now we don't need this plans, so we will just remove the plans and we will do the final act of putting the slab on the headroom. And we have also added a door over here so that one can move to this particular portion. And now we can just model the building to give it a better look. So from here we will continue in the next video. If you have liked this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.